My name is Savis Tau. I'm 5.5 years old. My family has me, my mom, and my dad. I'm a very lucky boy. Always have their loves. My mom always reads storybooks with me during the night time. And I like to go fishing with my dad, but too bad we still haven't caught one fish. And in the summer time, I also love going to the beach with family and friends. I have a pleasure experience of traveling to Thailand when I'm 3 years old. The hotel we stayed was called Someone Resort. It had many swimming pools and parks. We also went snorkeling in the ocean. I saw many beautiful fish and reefs. And I was surprised that they love eating bananas. I love to travel with my mom and dad because they always tell me many interesting stories around the world. I hope we could travel soon again when the COVID-19 is gone. I hope that people can care the nature with more love. Our action reducing waste, saving energy, and recycling reusable materials are very important. My family thinks that we should always try to recycle the metals and the plastic. Hopefully our planet could be healthier and we do not have to move to the Mars.